Welcome to our bamboo factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw bamboo is transformed into everyday products used around the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours. Here, raw logs are precisely cut into planks by the bandsaw. The sawdust is collected, ensuring nothing goes to waste. These planks are then sorted for sustainable use, efficient process. Industrial bamboo treatment starts with boiling in large tanks. This process removes moisture, insects, and impurities, preparing the bamboo for use. Temp is climbing. Need to stabilize it. Copy. Adjusting flow rate now. Good. Holding steady at 73. Chemical mix is optimal. No anomalies. Excellent. Let's log this cycle. Every bamboo product is crafted for strength, sustainability, and everyday use. Every bamboo product is tested before shipment.
Smooth surface, no cracks.
Good. Check durability.
Passing? Next one.
And that's how raw bamboo becomes strong, sustainable products used every day.